Today we're going to be making some hamburgers because summer is almost here. So let's cut up some onions right now, and I'm going to use this so I don't tear up. So first thing about cutting the onions is you want to cut off the two ends first. One there like that. I'll just get this. Make it look like that. Welcome to Cooking with Charlie. Now we're gonna cut up the onions for this burger that I'm gonna be making. It's gonna be delicious, trust me. Fantastic. We cut off the two bad ends because you don't want those on there, and then you gotta just peel this little layer off. It's a long process. Okay, so for unpeeling the onion for the burger, you kind of want to like cut a little slot through it like that, and once you have that little cut, sometimes it'll come off pretty easily and sometimes it's not, like right now. Now we're gonna cut it up. So right now you want to cut it up maybe a few like flat slices. Make sure your fingers don't get in the way of your cutting montage. Now you want to divide your onions into little like thirds and stuff, and then this is what it's like smashing it. We must crush the crackers. Now it's time for the delicious meat. Now I'm gonna get the Worcestershire sauce. And we'll just put a few dabs of that. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Something like that. I want quite a bit BBQ sauce. Just a blob like that. Jerked a bit, but it's okay. Some seasoning salt. Now you have to be careful with this. Don't want too much on. Eyeball probably like 1.5 of a teaspoon or something like that. And just like that. Maybe a tiny bit more. My bad. Okay, now we gotta add some garlic powder. Just maybe like a few dabs of that. That's gonna be a really garlicky burger I'm gonna make here, and some onions. Kind of. Oh, you just want to add like that much onions. Then just add the crackers that I senselessly mushed up like a ninja. My beautiful meat, so beautiful. Now you just want to squish it up. Oh, it might be disgusting, but if you want a good meat, recommend squishing it up like this. So now we're just gonna smash up the meat. So first you want to probably grab around a fistful, which is probably around that, maybe grab one more bit. And you want to put this in here and grab a clean hand, and then put your clean hand to this and squish it. Okay, I cut this. Yeah. And now we're gonna put this and this. Come on. You can do it, me. You got this. Yes! You did it! And then now, I totally didn't just like do a bunch of bad stuff to my other hand. And now we're gonna do this. So you want the oven to be on high.
Go.
So close. Okay, so now we're probably about to flip the meat on there, and you also want it to, the temperature of it to be low and slow. You want it to be fresh ground beef, and you when at the top of the burgers, when the blood is pooling, like kind of in a little puddle, if you don't know what pooling means, then you should probably flip it over so it's really tasty. And also, by the way, if you can see here, it's really windy, and I'm Canadian, and I cook whatever temperature it is. I think we may have overcooked maybe a bit of that, and now we're just all of them, because the blood, as you can see here, is pooling over top of it. Okay, so our family likes cheese, so we're gonna add some cheese to them and melt the cheese on the burger. Woo. And once that's melted, we're gonna take these burgers out, and the burgers should be ready. We'll just let them cool off for a bit, and we might toast some buns too. So wait to see my reaction. And now I'm gonna be showing you my reaction and what I actually have on my burger. So first, the burger meat, obviously. I'll just take there we go. Put that there. We also made some bacon, so take a little strip. Put that, and then just break off some little pieces of bacon, probably like that. Obviously ketchup. Some mustard. Okay. Some lettuce. some pickles. I'll just put 2 because that's gonna be quick. And let me see, probably, yeah, I think I'm good. I'll put the patty. Sound is glorious. And now we take the bite. Ten out of 10. And that was my video. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below any more food ideas that you have so I can cook and show everyone else how to make them. Bye!